Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video I really wanted to play with the new Busy Florals spring foils that we just got in on the website, and I was like, I'm just gonna do a little design, have a little play around, tinker about, film the process of course so I can share it with you guys because it's super fun and easy. And yeah, let's just get straight into it. So I'm going to apply 2 coats of the Powder Puff Pink Gel Polish, which is just an absolute stunning colour for spring and summer. So now that I've got 2 coats of this polish applied, I'm going to go ahead and give it a full cure in the light for 60 seconds to make sure everything is dry. And then I'm going to come in with Save Scrub and I'm going to go ahead and remove that dispersion layer. So the dispersion layer is a tacky layer or tacky residue of that gel polish that just needs removing from the nail, because I'm going to be coming in with my foil transfer gel. So I'm going to remove that and then I'm going to come in with my buffer, and I'm also going to buff that shine off the nail as well. This buffer is super spongy and soft, so it's not going to damage or remove that product. We're literally just going to be removing that surface shine. So of course the next step in this process is to add our transfer gel. So I'm using the Foil Mate transfer gel and it's absolutely fantastic. So many of you guys love it. I absolutely love it. It's the bomb. And all I'm going to be doing is really focusing on one side of this nail, because yes, of course we can apply full foils all over the nail, but I really wanted to, twist it up a little bit, change it up, make it a little bit funky and add some extra pizzazz. So we're just going to go for like a half slice on the nail. So I'm just going to apply my transfer foil, make sure it's all straight and even and everywhere is covered where I want it. And I'm just going over it again just to make sure that it's exactly where I want it placing. It's important that you do that, because otherwise it's just going to be an issue. You're going to cause yourself so many problems. So I've cured it in the light and you can see there it's slightly altered colour. Don't worry, that's not going to affect your design. If anything, it helps you know where that product is. So I'm just choosing which area of the foil to use on the nail, and I've chosen this swirly part. So I'm just adding it over the area where my gel is, and I'm coming in and rubbing it into the nail to make sure that all of that image transfers. Also, top tip on the transfer gel: when you are using it, you want to cure it in the light for a full 60 seconds. You want to then allow it 60 seconds to just air dry, and that gives it time to become really tacky so that it can hold onto the transfer foil a lot better than if you were to just go straight in with the foil. So I'm just using the side of my nail just to make sure I'm applying some slight pressure to the foil so that it can really adhere to the nail and everything can be fabulous. I'm removing it slowly so that if I notice any areas that haven't taken or I haven't rubbed in, I can just rub them. Sometimes I've made that mistake. I've whipped it off super quick and it's like, oh damn, you did not check. And then bits are missing, but yeah, I'm coming in with my champagne gel. I really wanted to add some extra pizzazz. Like I said, I want it to be a little bit fancy, a little bit, thought about, not just adding transfer foils, but how can we take it to the next level. So I decided to add some of the champagne gel because it's super, like, it's glitzy, it's glam, it's got that subtle shimmer to it, and it's just going to create a nice base for the flowers that I'm going to be applying to finish off this design. So I'm just following the line of foil just to kind of disguise that area, give it a little bit more something so that it's not just plain, and also, like I said, a base to the nail art that we're going to be adding next. Once I'm applying this, I am going to cure it for 30 seconds in the light. Next, I'm going to be coming in with these super cute little kind of 3D flowers and beads and pearls, and I'm applying those with our new builder gel. Don't go ahead into the website just yet, it's not available right now. We are working on it and I am so excited, but yeah, this is our sculpting builder gel and I'm just applying it over where I want to apply our the 3D charms, and then I can come in and just place them on the nail where I'm happy with them. Of course, apply them wherever you like. I just really thought that it would look pretty as a diagonal across the nail with the beads and the pearls and the flowers, and then you've got like the matte finish of the pink gel, and then you've got the foil with super gloss, like glossy design. I think this just looks so fresh. So yeah, I'm going to work on applying those and then I'll be back. Next, it's time to apply super gloss. So I did go ahead and cure my nail art in place to make sure it's all secure and dry for a full 60 seconds. And now I'm coming in with super gloss. I'm going to be encapsulating the foil and making sure that I do cap those side walls and the free edge as well to seal that design in. And I'm going to slightly go over the little flowers and beads because that's also going to further help those stay on the nail. There's nothing worse than kind of, you know, losing those little charms and pieces, so don't be afraid to seal those in with your top coat because you're not going to kind of, you know, dull the shine on them. Anyway, this is the final look. I cured it in the light and oof, it is so pretty, so funky, and so cute and perfect for spring. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I hope you tune in to the next one. As always, thank you so much for watching, and remember, you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.